Hi, this is Venkat here again. We talk about an interesting incident today. Have you heard of the story about Sachin Tendulkar getting batting advice from a hotel waiter? Yes, you heard it right. The god of cricket, once got a tip from a waiter who made a big difference in his game. You know. This was way back in 2001, I think, during the Australia's tour of India. Sachin was actually staying at the Taj Coromandel Hotel in Chennai. And there was a waiter by name Guruprasad in the hotel. Like, many of us, Guruprasad was a huge fan, of Sachin. And he had actually noticed something interesting in Sachin's batting. One day, Guruprasad saw Sachin entering the elevator and decided to seize the moment. He ran and he asked for Sachin's autograph on his beat book. As he did not have any other book or paper with him. And then without hesitation, shared his observation about Sachin's batting. He actually pointed out that Sachin's new elbow guard affected his back swing. Sachin actually was surprised. He thought he's a waiter, telling me about my batting technique. But you know what? Sachin was impressed, by Guru Prasad's, cricket knowledge and humility. He actually listened to what Guru Prasad had to say and promised him to, consider his suggestion. And guess what? Sachin followed, Guru Prasad's advice. He actually went on to redesign his, elbow pad and corrected the strap position. This actually improved his, batting significantly. And what's the takeaway from this incredible story? You know, it's about the power of observation and willingness to learn from anyone, no matter who they are. Guru Prasad, a humble waiter, had a very keen eye to spot something even seasoned cricket experts, you know, uh, probably might have missed. And Sachin, despite being a cricket legend, was open to listening and learning from someone unexpected. So the key learnings from this incident are: number one, keep learning. You know, uh, always be ready to learn even from unexpected sources. Like the hotel waiter. Observe closely. Pay attention to the small details around you. You never know, where the helpful insights might come from. The third learning is wisdom is everywhere. You know, valuable lessons can come from anyone. So stay open, to advice from all kinds of people. Now, the questions to reflect upon are: have you ever, received a valuable advice from any unexpected source in your life? The second is: how open are you to learning from people who may not have any formal expertise in that particular area, like the hotel waiter? Think about it. Now, to conclude, remember, this story next time, you're facing a challenge or, trying to improve something in your life. Keep your eyes open for advice and wisdom, no matter where it comes from. Sometimes the best lessons come from the most unexpected places. That's all I have in this video. Please do click the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel so that as and when a new video is posted, you will get a immediate notification. Thank you so much. Take care and bye bye.